luck, Doogee S98. Good luck. In 3, 2, 1, go. Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. And today I bring you my impressions of another Doogee phone, the S98, with this rear display. Let's turn it on and have a look. There you see it, guys. This is a new phone from Doogee, and I wanted to share it with you, but we're gonna do something a little bit different because I've heard from you guys that, well, when I do these rugged phone tests, why am I not testing the rugged capacity of these phones? Now with this Doogee S98, you see we have a smart rear display, MediaTek Helio G96, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, 20 megapixel night vision camera. Look, it's got pretty good features overall, and I think as far as Doogee goes, with the military standard construction IP6869K, this phone is gonna do a lot if you're a rugged fan, but we gotta test it out. So, I see here we have a pond of water. Looking at the time, let's see, it is just past 5:12, and we're gonna drop this bad boy in the water right now. So let's do it in 3, 2, 1, boom. There it goes in the water, and let's keep it in there for about a minute. I'll speed this footage up, and we'll see how it's doing. All right, there we go, folks. 1 minute. I have not moved my wrist. And let's see how this Doogee is doing. Should be doing okay. I'm gonna try to take it out now. Ugh, there we go. Don't worry about my watch. It is okay. And let's see how this thing is doing. A little bit of water. Swipe away. Let's see if that's still working. Yep, all good. We are completely fine here on the S98. And of course, one of the beauties of Doogee is that it will withstand any kind of water submersion like that. It's also going to withstand, being able to, be in rocky terrain. If it gets smashed against a wall pretty hard, I'm trying to push on it as hard as I can. No, it's completely fine. We got NFC on board too, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little bit of a drop test here. We're gonna drop it right here on these stones. I'm gonna drop it right on the display, the main display, probably from around 1 meter. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Let's have a look. Perfect. A little bit of grass on it, but it's doing fine, guys. It's doing absolutely fine. Now we're gonna go a little bit higher. We're gonna drop it once again on these pebbles from a height of around 2 meters. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Ow, that one kind of hurt. Straight onto stones. You see that? And let's turn it around. Let's see what happens. Absolutely fine, guys. So I gotta tell you, these Doogee phones truly are rugged beasts. This one is no different. And of course you have that rear display, which, it's a bit of a gimmick, guys, but look, you have a rear display to see the date, the time. I think you can also swipe to play music. And let's do a quick camera shot here of the Doogee. They definitely have improved the cameras too, guys. Still a pretty slow shutter, but let's look at these results right here. Not too bad, all things considered. Not too bad. But now let's do the final rugged test here of this Doogee S98. This video is kind of nuts. And I'm gonna throw this phone up in the air. I'm gonna throw it up as high as I can, and we're gonna go and find it. So here we go, guys. Good luck, Doogee S98. Good luck. In 3, 2, 1, go. That hurt. Let's go have a look. Let's go have a look. That was probably 4 meters. 4 meters, guys. Let's check the display. No issues. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Well, for all you guys out there who were saying, Frankie Tech, we want to see a true rugged test of this rugged beast. I hope that satisfies your rugged phone destruction cravings. This one is done with its testing, alive and well. And that's it for my impressions and rugged test of the Doogee S98. Whew, wow, what a crazy video. But hit me up in the comments, guys. What are your thoughts on this phone? It's always fun to test these out in the most extreme ways. I hadn't done it in a while, so there you go. Hope you enjoyed that one. But that's it for this one. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for future updates. I leave you now with one last shot of this rugged beast, the Doogee S98. It survived the stress test here on Frankie Tech. So that's it. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. One last throw for the road, shall we? Whoa. Oh yeah.